You're almost at the finish line. Let's take on this final challenge to finish strong. Write a query to extract both the house number and the street name from the address column. For example, if the address is 123 Main Street, the result should be 123 for the house number and Main Street for the street name. Let's jump right in. I'll share the DDL scripts to create a table named text data and insert relevant data into it, so you can leverage the dataset for your string functions practice. If you don't have PostgreSQL on your system, please install it to leverage its powerful open source database capabilities for your SQL practice. Follow our installation video for step-by-step instructions. Question on the tool editor? Before we actually get into the SQL query, let's see how the address column looks like in the table text data. This is the interested column. All these numbers should come under house number and the names under house names. The obvious function, substring. Since we are applying on the table, you would need to use substring in combination with position function. Let's begin. Select substring of address column. First, let's fetch the house number. For that, the starting index is always 1. Until how many characters? Here it is clearly visible that it is 3 characters. Say for example, this 3 characters is not set in stone. It could be varying. Let's make our query complex by assuming the house number as a dynamic value. In that case, logically, how can you extract the house number? You can use, all you need to tell the query is how many numbers, right? So first, let's identify space. Position of address -1. Because with position of address, it exactly gives the index of the space. But we need the value just prior to that space. So we are subtracting 1 from the index of the space here. Say for example, in this case, with position of space in the address, you get 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 characters. So address comma 1 comma 3 should give us 1, 2, 3. No matter the length of the house number, it works in all cases. All right, next one, fetching the street name. Before that, let's give an alias name as house number. Moving to the street name, again, substring of address. Here it doesn't start from position 1 or any hard-coded position, the same case, right? So what do? Use the position function. So the trick is, whenever you can't hard code the index number, then use position function. So in these cases, any complexity can be resolved with 3 functions. Substring, position, sometimes length comes to your rescue. All right. Copy the starting index as position function. Here, instead of -1, use +1 because you want after space, not including the space, right? Here position of 1, this space gives you 4, +1 gives you 5. So the starting position will start from the actual street name. And you don't have to give the number of characters because substring syntax itself gives you an advantage with the default value of giving all the characters if you don't specify length of the value. Give an alias name as street name. We should not be getting any syntax error. But let's check it out. Typo in address column. There you go. You got the numbers under house num, names under street name. You got the result. See you in the next one.